Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall start new chapter 11 Algebra. Now children, we have already learned about numbers, operations on numbers and properties of numbers. We have applied our knowledge of numbers to various problems in our life. The branch of mathematics in which we studied numbers is arithmetic. We have also learned about the figures, two-dimensional and three-dimensional, that is known as geometry. Now we begin the study of another branch of mathematics. It is called algebra. The main features of the new branch which we are going to study is the use of letters. Use of letters will allow you to write rules and formulas in a general way. By using letters, we can talk about any number and not just a particular number. Secondly, letters may stand for unknown quantities. The major advantage of using letter is algebra, that is, we can represent unknown qualities by them. We can write the rules and formulas in a general way by using them. And thirdly, performing operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on them because they stand for numbers. Now there are two types of numbers. One is variable and constant. The variable letter or symbols that represent any number of a collection of two or more numbers is called a variable. And constant number are those that represent a specific number is called a constant. For example, variable dash plus 4 is equal to 9. Now, in place of dash, we will write x. So, x is a variable. So, x plus 4 is equal to 9. So, we know what we add to 4, we get 9, that is 5. So, the value of x here will be 5. So, x here is a variable and 4 is a constant. But when we write is equal to 9 means x is having a fixed number, that is 5. So x can't be more than 5. So a constant or symbol that represent a specific number is called a constant, or else a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. The letters which are used to represent numbers are called literal numbers. Now what are algebraic expression? It is a set of variable, constant and arithmetic operations. Together they form algebraic expression. For example, 3x plus 4. So here 3 is the constant, x is variable, plus 4 again it is a constant. So this is the example. Now here we have to solve this question 3x plus 4. Now if we write 3x plus 4, we don't get any expression. It is just set. But if we write x plus 4 is equal to 7. So here is equal to 7 means here this expression has been given that x plus 4 is equal to 7. So now if we minus 4 from both the side, x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 4. So we get the answer x is equal to 3. So the value of x is equal to 3. Now exercise 11.1, find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following matchstick pattern. Use a variable to write the rule. Now here children, you have seen that T is drawn. Now we have to make a matchstick pattern. So if we collect matchsticks and form the letter T, what pattern is required? To make one T, we require two matchsticks. So we can draw a matchstick. With the help of matchstick, we can draw letter T. And we can say that how many matchstick is required to make this letter T. So, and we have to write the pattern also. Now, to make T, we require two matchsticks, one horizontal and one vertical. So, you can see the matchsticks. We need two matchsticks to make one T. In the same way, to make 2t, we need 4 matchsticks. So 1, 2t. So for 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 matchstick is required. So we can write to make 2 t's, 2 into 2, that is 4 matchstick required. Therefore, to make n number of t's, 2 into n, that is 2n matchstick is required. So here the pattern will be 2n. So we can write the pattern 2n matchstick is required to make letter T. Now in the same way, to make the pattern of letter Z. Now here you can see the letter Z. We see that we need 3 matchsticks for making this letter Z. So here also the same rule will be applied. To make 1 Z we need 3 matchsticks. To make 2 Z we need 2 into 3, that is 3n. So here the matchstick pattern is 3n required. In the same way, children, you will do this other sums. Now you ignore the second sum and we come to third sum. Cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in a row. What is the rule which gives the number of cadets, give the number of rows? Use n for the number of rows. So here, children, you can see that number of cadets and number of rows we have to find out. So there are 5 cadets in a row. So it is given that there are number of cadets are 5. So solution, let that number of rows be n. And we have seen that number of cadets in one row is 5. So what will be the total cadets? So the total cadets is equal to 5 multiplied by n, that is 5n. Therefore, total number of cadets are 5n. Now next, question number 4 and 5 you will do on your own. Next, a bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? Use t for time. So here 1 kilometer in 1 minute it is given that bird is flying, and we have to express it, the distance covered, in how many minutes. So the solution, let the flying time in minutes is equal to t, that is given. Bird flies in 1 minute is equal to 1 kilometer, that is also given. So the total distance covered is equal to 1 into t, that is time, is equal to 1 t kilometers. So 1 t is given and kilometers is also given, 1 kilometer. So the total distance covered is 1 t kilometers. The rest of the sums I'll give you in my next video. I hope you have understood it. Thank you for watching the video.